so different. Well, it's a cool change of scenery, you know. Style houses are a little different down here. Different landscapes. I think the drive's worth it to come down here from or anywhere around Pennsylvania or whatever. You know, it's roughly an 8-hour drive for us, but it's cool coming over the Delaware Bay Bridge and through the tunnel. And I think it's a pretty relaxing drive for as long as it is. I've only seen a couple other e-bikes so far, but haven't been out and about that much yet. Rocking the grandstand. I got the same mower. Kind of a fan of standards personally. Now this video is going to come out. And we derailed the chain. Interesting. Hit that pump was deceiving. Well, there's your proof. Back on the way. One of these other days, I might try and head south from dock, see if I can get down to Buxton or not. Heard there's a cool like wooded reserve down there. Some trails. It's actually my first time riding a fat tire bike. One of my friends back home in PA, he just got an e-bike. It's one of them Amazon ones. It's actually not bad, man, for 750 watts. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, this bike for what it is, got plenty of power, in my opinion, to cruise around and have fun, you know. You could always want more, but at least in this scenario, like out on vacation, cruising around, I think personally I'd rather have the range than power and top speed, but I know every now and then it's fun to rip around. That's why I was joking with the guy. Sure, I think he's the owner of the company, Sweet Rides OBX, where I rented this bike from. He was kind of joking with me, and I get it from the rental guy. You never know really who can ride, who can't. So I was joking with him. I was like, dude, don't worry, I got a dirt bike back home. Like, I get all the shenanigans out on the dirt bike normally. I don't need to necessarily tear up his bike. Just have some fun. Thank you.